I stopped off from Ontario here to Vegas and playing in slots here, waiting for my flight to Reno. Put in 20 bucks and playing Panda, got the hold and spin. Let's see what we get. Hopefully get some words in there. Come on, play nickel D now. Come on, something, anything. Come on, drop, 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 anything. Come on. Oh, you gotta save it, save it. Come on. Come on, come on, anything. Oh, yes. Yes. Let's fill it up, let's fill it up. Come on, anything else, anything else. Come on. Come on. Got two more. Let's go, let's go, let's get it. Come on. Didn't get it. That's all right. In here. My flight got delayed, so I'm over here excited to play. Alright, this is happy and prosperous. Hopefully it was getting something, one of the progressives, but that didn't happen. Alright, now we'll take it to 50 bucks. Let's see what we get after this. Come on. Come on, let's get 3 pots. We need 3 of those pots for the free games. One more. Oh, missed it. 2 more. Yes, got it again. All right, here we go. Hope we get something with words. I was actually going to change the denom to 2 cents. All right, here we go. Come on. Yes, let's go. Let's keep going. Come on. Fill it up, fill it up. Let's get some digits there. Some words, something with words. Take a mini, even in fact, or anything. Come on. Come on, anything. Drop. Come on, let's save it, save it, save it. Save it. Anything. Come on, drop. That's all right. Bucks. Alright, now we're up to 75. Okay, we'll take it to 70. Let's just see. So, could be something, maybe I get the free games or something. Come on, let's get some more. Let's get some more. Let's get some more. Maybe the free games. Alright, we're going to cash out here. I'm good with 70 bucks. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And thanks for watching. Alright, you guys. I put 20 bucks in here on the dancing drums explosion. Got the drums and got the pot at the same time. Okay. I'm going to do it from below here. Oh. Okay. Oh, I figured that one would be it. Oh, gosh. Oh, figures. 18 bucks, though. I'll take it. And I got 4 drums. They're not the golden though, so it's just gonna be the regular drums. Sorry you guys, it's a glare because I'm here at the airport. Alright, you know you guys, I'm just gonna take the, take the 10. Oh, this glare is really bad. Sorry you guys. Alright, here we go. We need 2 drums to re-trigger here. Come on. Good line hit something, come on. 2 drums in the first 2 reels or more. Oh, come on. Oh, we need another drum. Come on, halfway through. Come on. Drum. Come on, drums. Oh gosh. Oh, one last chance. Come on. No, that's it. 57 bucks. I just got through playing on the Happy and Prosperous, cashed out there. Put 20 bucks in here. Not bad, not bad. Someone looks like someone who got that major a little bit ago, so. All right, let me just play it down to 70. Okay, let's go. Maybe I'll get something else. Come on, drums. Let's just get a bonus here. Come on. Oh shoot, I'm gonna go under the 70, but. Ooh, I got the ships. Ooh, 24 bucks. All right, let's keep going here. Go a little bit longer. Come on. Ooh, see, we need that golden drum with a couple other drums with it. Come on. All right, good line hit of Foo Dogs, anything here. Ooh, oh, too bad it didn't go all the way through. The coins are good if they get a good line hit of them. Oh, jeez. All right, let's see. I'll just take it to 80. See whether I get something before then. All right, we're gonna do 88 cents here. All right, that's it, you guys. I'm just not gonna play anymore. Cash out there. 20 in, 80 out. Not bad for the airport. Stop off here in Vegas from Ontario to over here in Vegas, and then from Vegas here to Reno. So not there yet. The flight's been delayed, so I've been playing. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and thanks for watching.